mic to our lovely, sweet principal. Okay.
Thank you,
Just give me a
Kavita.
moment. Just give me a moment. Yes, Padma ma'am, the mic is all
Thank you,
yours.
Kavita. Thank you, Kavita. And namaste to you all. Namaste. A very good, warm, and independent morning to you all. The entire team of the Head Over Heels School welcome all children, parents, teachers, and grandparents. Well, every Independence Day has a theme. And likewise, this year also has a theme. Nation first, always first. Nation first, always first. This is to honor the sacrifices made and the glorious path laid down by the generation by them. As a school, through many of our interactive sessions, we try our best to inculcate in this inquisitive minds the thought of becoming a responsible citizen of the world. Our classrooms are creatively planned, so each grade learns as per their age and therefore get valuable lessons on life skills too. Having said that, each teacher tries her best to remind children to be happy first and learn through practices how to be kind to all around them. We teach children that each virtue starts from home first and then it spreads out in the world. As a school, we remain in the sole charge to ensure that children are learning to think and to give the best form of education. We also here would like to ask all of you to be a guiding light for each child, and their journey begins from home. With this, I would like to request you all to remember the pandemic button is still on. So please stay safe, take the necessary precautions. Ensure you avoid crowded places and make sure children kept under utmost care at all times. Allow me to now do the online honors to unfurl the flag and play the national anthem online. May I request all of you to please stand for the national anthem and for flag hoisting.
Thank you, everyone. I will now share the screen for all of us to see the flag unfurl, and the national anthem will be played in a musical form. Okay. While the music is going on, we are going to see a beautiful flag flow in the air. After that, we will continue to stand and sing the national anthem together. I will be playing a second video where all of us can sing the national anthem together. While I'm doing that, please give me a moment. Jai Hind. I will now play the national anthem for all of us to sing together. I will look to open each and everybody's mic so you all can sing with all your heart. Give me a moment while I open each and everybody's mic to sing the national anthem together. Children, I'm opening up your mics one by one. Please open up your mic and let's take this opportunity to sing the national anthem together. Grandparents, parents who are joining us from different parts of the country, please join us in singing the national anthem. This is our moment of pride. I have made an attempt to open everybody's mic. I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Grandparents, you will get a screen which says unmute. You just have to click on that and we will be able to hear you too. Nihira, open up your mic.
Kavita Jyoti teacher is raising and I think her mic is not.
Yes, I have opened her mic. Yeah, I think I've opened everybody's mic. I want all of us to join. Nihira's grandparents and parents, please open the mic so we can hear you too.
Where is Sadhu? Sadhu left.
Varishkal.
One moment, Varushka. Yes. Okay, Varushka, I think you can open up. All right. I hope I haven't missed anyone. I hope I haven't missed anybody.
There are 40 people.
Okay. Children, stand up. Get ready.
No problem, he'll join.
Salute the flag. Good job, kids. Good job. Good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. It was wonderful to hear you all sing today. Good job. Okay. We'll now move on to our next program for today, which is the March Past by a few of the kids who have practiced this for the last 2 weeks. We extremely thank sir, our very own Devendra sir, and Yasha ma'am for preparing children for this March Past. Yasha ma'am, over to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, all children who are supposed to be taking their positions for March Past, please get ready. All children, Tanishka, Pranav, Subhan, Ranveer, Maya, Rajvi, Barushka, Vihan, Tejas, Razel, and Vinaya. Please get ready. Take your position for March Past. Be ready. Yasha teacher will play the music in a minute from now.
Okay, grade 3 and grade 7. Ready? Take your position.
Let me tell you about this amazing offer from Udemy.
Okay, ready? Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Ready for March Past?
Good job, kids. Good job. Excellent work. Excellent work. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. सारे
Hello,
बच्चों ने
my
बहुत ही
dear
अच्छा
Devin.
presentation दिया of March Past. That was amazing. Thank you, Yasha teacher, for sharing the audio for this performance. Thank you very much. Children, now we would look to take a 5-minute break. We would look to take a 5-minute break. And those who are in the dance practice, request you to please go change your costume and come back. Those who are there for the dance presentation, please go change your costume, come back, and then We want all children to sit back and watch a video that's around Independence Day and also be entertained by the small dance performance prepared by a few children of the school. All right, let's take a 5-minute break and be quickly back. Welcome back. I hope all children are back with their costumes. Yes, Vinaya is back. Yes, Maya is back. Let me check the others. Yes, Vihan is back. Varushka is back. Tejas, we are waiting for you. Tanishka, Pranav, Ranveer, we are waiting for you. Yes, Ranveer is back. Tejas is back. Good, good. Very nice. Yasha teacher, please do spotlight them when the dance is going on. All children, are you back? Yes,
Yes,
Razel. Oh, wow. Amazing turban, Razel. Super lag raha hai. All the other performers. Subhan, are you back? Subhan, I am not sure where you are. Please stand up and come forward so we know that you're ready. Rajvi. Rajvi, I hope you're ready. Okay, so while these children are getting ready, they really want to look the optimum that they can for the performance. So we'll give them a couple more minutes. Thank you, Tanishka. Yes, she's back. We will just quickly introduce to you who are dressed as per which state. As per the list I have, I am first going to go in search of Razel on my screen. Razel, where are you?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, make me the host.
One moment. Razel, yes, I can see Razel. Razel, everybody. Here is Razel for you. And Razel is dressed as a Maharashtrian boy today. Okay. Thank you, Razel. Thank you. All right. Now we will quickly go to Yasha teacher. Yasha teacher here today is dressed as a Jodidar for Razel and dressed as a Maharashtrian female today. Okay.
Good morning.
I am now going to go to Pranav. Where am I going to be able to spot him? Sometimes this takes a little longer than we want it to, but we are going to take that time because we need them to be identified by all. So yes, Pranav. Pranav, that's Pranav, everyone. Pranav is dressed as a Gujarati male. He comes from Gujarat for us today. And where can I see Tanishka? Tanishka, where are you? Raise your hand so I can quickly spot you on the whole group. Yes, Tanishka, I spotted you. Give me a moment. Just a moment, please. Thank you for the patience. Yes, the systems don't always work the way you like, but that's the best we have now. Where is my Tanishka? I spotted her and now I lost her. Quickly, Tanishka. Where are you? Where are you? Tanishka for us, everyone, is dressed as a Gujarati female. Tanishka. Is she still in network or did I lose her on the network itself? Yes, now I can catch Tanishka. There is Tanishka for us. She's dressed up as a Gujarati female. She comes from the state of Padharo Mare Des. Then I have Ranveer. Ranveer, where are you? I need you to raise your hand so I can quickly spot you. Please raise your hand, Ranveer, so I can quickly spot you. Others, please do not raise your hand in between. I get confused. Ranveer, are you raising your hand? Yes, raising your hand. Okay. There we have Ranveer. He is coming from the state of Kerala. He is dressed up as a Kerala male. Can I now please ask Maya to raise her hand? Maya, where are you? So I can quickly only, Tanishka, please lower your hand or I will do that. Okay, Maya. Maya is on spotlight for everyone. Maya is dressed up. One moment. One moment. One moment, Maya. Yes. Maya is also from the state of Kerala and Maya is dressed up as a Kerala female, a little girl from Kerala. Thank you very much, Maya. I am now going to go to Vihan. Vihan Singh. Okay, so I'll make that very specific and clear. So we know which Vihan we are looking to spot. Vihan, please raise your hand so I can quickly put you on spotlight. Vihan Singh. Yes. अरे आज सब दूर दूर खड़े रह के hands उठा रहे हैं. Okay, yes. Vihan is dressed up as an Assamese. Vihan is sweetly dressed up as Assamese male for us. And we have Vinaya. We are going to quickly spot Vinaya. Vinaya, where are you? Can you please raise your hand for me? Vinaya, can I quickly spot you somewhere? Yes, Vinaya is there. Thank you so much for raising your hand. That's Vinaya for us, dressed up all the way from the state of Assam as an Assamese sweet girl. Thank you, Vinaya. Thank you so much. Then we have Subhan. Subhan, please raise your hand so I can spot you. Subhan, raise your hand so I can spot you. Subhan, yes, there you are. There we have Subhan. Subhan today is dressed up all the way from Punjab. He is dressed up as a male from Punjab for us. Balle, balle, Subhan. Thank you. And then I am now going to go in search of his partner, Varushka. Varushka, can you please sweetly raise your hand for me? Varushka, where are you? Yes, I have found Varushka and I'm going to put her on spotlight. Varushka is there. Varushka, lovely outfit. Another balle balle girl for us, all the way from Punjab. Thank you for this, Varushka. That's really sweet. I shall now go to Rajvi. Rajvi, can you please raise your hand? I hope you have gotten ready and come back. Rajvi, please raise your hand so I can spot you. Can I see Rajvi somewhere? Rajvi, am I able to spot you or what? Rajvi is raising her hand. Yes, there I can spot Rajvi. And Rajvi is here on spotlight for everyone. Oh, that's awesome. Rajvi, you really look like a complete Kashmiri. That's so beautifully dressed up. Thank you, Rajvi. That's really amazing. And last but not the least, Tejas, kindly raise your hand. I hope your brother is going to let you do that. Tejas, where are you? I need to come around to spot you. There I spot Tejas. Yes. Tejas, wah. Tejas is there from Kashmir again. And Tejas is dressed up as a Kashmiri boy for us. So, parents, we have children from different parts of the state, absolutely showing unity in diversity. They are all going to dance on the same song for us. And I am now going to pass on the mic to Yesha teacher as she will play the song. And I want all children to dance together. Yesha teacher, give me a moment so I put you on host. And then you can take over. Okay, Yasha teacher, you're the host. All right, over to you, Yasha teacher. All children take position. Teacher, please do spotlight all the children. In couple of minutes, all the dancers who have practiced for today will be on spotlight. Please take your positions, everybody. Give us a couple of minutes. There are always technical up and down that need to be taken care of with an online platform. And we thank all parents and children and grandparents as well for their patience. Yes, many of the youngsters today are very tech savvy, but the tech is still to become human savvy. So sometimes that delays a few things. So as soon as Yasha teacher is ready, children take position, stand back, stand back. Stand back. Let's see if you are all standing in position where we can see you well. Yes, Varushka, perfect position. Vinaya, perfect. Razel, yes, she's already taken the left-hand side position. Okay. Rajvi, okay, she's also in position. Maya has also gone into position. That's very good. Pranav has also gone into his position on this left-hand side. That's nice. Tanishka, Pranav, also take positions, please. Subhan is also in his position for dance. Patience, children, patience. Yasha teacher is just ensuring that everybody is on spotlight. We don't want to miss anyone. So selecting children on so many on the group takes a little time. Let's be patient. Hold on to your costumes. Hold on well. Bindas Nacho. Like yesterday, agar koi bhi costume malfunction hua, don't worry. Don't worry. You all have enough protection inside. I'm sure. Continue the dance, okay? Continue. You all are dressed up beautifully. Continue the dance for sure. Chalo, take position.
Zoom is not allowing to make more than 6 people on this spotlight.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। प्यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। यूं तो सीधे बड़े, कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा। ओ, हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा, जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी, और दिल से यार जो ने पुकार तो जान निसार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचाते हम इंडिया वाले।
Thank you so much. That was awesome. That was awesome. Okay, children, do not change your costumes. Wait. Do not change your costumes. Settle down. Let everyone clap a lot for you. Good job, kids. Good job. Okay. Now, few of them have already messaged me that they want to dance again. Yes, we will do that. We will definitely do that. Don't worry. In the meanwhile, while you just drink a little bit of water and come back, okay? Drink a bit of water and come back. We are going to play a video on Independence Day, all right? You all can settle down, watch that video once, and then we will dance once again. And at that time, Yasha teacher is going to ensure that each of the dancer will be on spotlight one by one, okay? At that time, Yasha teacher will ensure that each of the dancer is on spotlight one by one. Agreed? ठीक है? Done? And at this time, the rest of the school can also keep dancing with this music, okay? Chalo. All right. Go take a sip of water while I get a video ready, which is for us to learn a little bit. थोड़ा सा कुछ पढ़ते हैं about Independence Day. That is what it is today. So let's do that, okay? I hope everyone just drank a sip of water. I hope everybody just drank a sip of water. Okay, I am now going to play a video on Independence Day. Just give me a moment. I hope everybody has had some water. सबने थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी पी लिया होगा अभी तक. वापस आकर बैठ जाओ. Everybody come back and sit down. Just settle down while we start a small video to learn a little bit about our Independence Day. Okay? I'm sure everybody can see my screen now. Everybody can see my screen now. I'm going to start the video.
हेलो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, जब आप अपनी प्यारी सी आवाज में 15 अगस्त को एक दूसरे को हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे या स्वतंत्रता दिवस मुबारक बोलते हैं तो यकीनन आप बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं. बट डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ इंडियाज इंडिपेंडेंस डे? वेल, ये एक बहुत ही लंबी कहानी है पर है बहुत ही प्यारी. हजारों साल पहले इंडिया को सोने की चिड़िया यानी कि गोल्डन बर्ड कहा जाता था. वो इसलिए क्योंकि भारत के लोग बहुत मेहनत करके अच्छी फसल उगाते थे, अच्छा व्यापार यानी कि ट्रेड यानी कि दूसरे लोगों के साथ लेन देन करते थे, दूसरे देशवासियों के साथ खूब ट्रेड यानी कि लेन देन करते थे. भारत में बनी सिल्क, मसाले, ज्वेल्स, यहाँ की उगी हुई कॉटन और व्हीट क्रॉप दूसरे देशों में बहुत लोकप्रिय थी. लोग इन भारतीय चीजों को यानी कि मेड इन इंडिया गुड्स के लिए कुछ भी देने को तैयार थे. इसी कारण भारतवासियों के पास काफी धन, पैसा और सोना इकट्ठा हो गया, क्योंकि जब वो ट्रेड करते थे ना, ये लेन देन जो करते थे, तब उनके पास सोना आता था एज पेमेंट फॉर द गुड्स सोल्ड. और इसी कारण भारत को गोल्डन बर्ड यानी कि सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था. भारत में उस समय किसी चीज की कोई कमी ना थी. लेकिन पता नहीं कब और क्यों हम कमजोर पड़ गए और दूसरे देशों के लोग आकर हम पर राज करने लगे. राज मीनिंग दे स्टार्टेड रूलिंग ओवर अस. The Mughals, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the French and the British invaded India और हमारे धन, दौलत, साहस और इंडिपेंडेंस सभी को छीन कर ले गए। इंडिपेंडेंस यानी कि आज़ादी। आज़ादी का मतलब हम अपनी मर्जी से अपने अनाज नहीं बेच सकते थे, हम अपनी मर्जी से बोल नहीं सकते थे, पढ़ नहीं सकते थे, पहन नहीं सकते थे। इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक लिविंग इन अ बिग जेल इन योर ओन हाउस। और इसी कारण शुरू हुई भारत की आज़ादी की लड़ाई। हजारों लाखों महिलाएं, पुरुषों और बच्चों ने बहुत प्रोटेस्ट करा। Thousands of brave men, women and children raised their voice to be free. Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Udham Singh, Aruna Asaf Ali, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhi Ji and many more such brave people came forward and openly challenged the invaders. Leave India, भारत छोड़ो। और ये सब करना उनके लिए इतना आसान नहीं था। अपनी फैमिली से दूर रहकर, कभी जेल में, कभी छिपकर, कभी भूखे रहकर वो फिर भी अपनी आवाज उठाते रहे। भारत छोड़ो, लीव इंडिया। Imagine staying in your own house and you can't eat, sleep, read and play the way you want to. So the Indians were determined to be free and the fight carried on. हजारों freedom fighters की sacrifice के बाद finally India got independence on the 15th of August 1947 when the last of the foreign invaders left India. And India became of the Indians, by the Indians, for the Indians. And the tri-colored Indian flag was hoisted, which was symbolic of India's independence. हमारा प्यारा तिरंगा, राष्ट्रीय झंडे के 3 रंग। Saffron represents strength and courage, शक्ति, साहस और हिम्मत। White represents peace and truth, shanti or sach. Green represents growth and prosperity, haryali. And inke beech is the Ashok Chakra which represents dharm. और जब हम अपना इंडियन फ्लैग लहराते हैं ना, तो it's just like writing your own name outside your house. और बच्चों आप जानते हैं कि जो हमारा घर यानी कि भारत यानी कि our country India is so big. यहाँ के लोग 1600 से भी अधिक लैंग्वेजेस बोलते हैं, जैसे कि पंजाबी, गुजराती, डोगरी, कन्नड़, कश्मीरी, तमिल और बहुत सारी प्यारी लैंग्वेजेस। 6000 से भी ऊपर कम्युनिटीज के लोग यहाँ प्यार से एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं, जैसे कि हिंदू, जैन, मुस्लिम, सिख, पारसी, सिंधी और भी बहुत सारे प्यारे लोग। सो हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे का मतलब है बच्चों, इन सब के साथ आपस में प्यार से मिल बांट कर रहना, हेल्प ईच अदर, एक दूसरे की बात सुनना, झगड़ा से दूर रहना और एक दूसरे को अपनी स्टोरीज भी सुनाना। And this Independence Day, come children, let's promise to do 3 things. Number 1, stay safe. Number 2, plant lots of trees. And third, say very proudly, I am a proud Indian, proud of its unity in diversity, अनेकता में एकता। आपने सुना ना कि हम में कितनी अनेकता है। There are so many of us living and we live together. That is true independence. happy Independence Day to all you beautiful children out there.
I hope you all enjoyed that video. I hope you all enjoyed that video. So sweetly explained about what is independence, right? So nice, so slowly and steadily informed. Okay, cool. All right. Yesha teacher, would you like to take the performance once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I will ask all the performers to please get ready once again. Yes, we are going to listen to your request that you want to perform again. Yes. So get ready. Take your places. Chalo, 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 ready ho jao. Everybody get ready. Vihan ready ho gaya hai. Varushka ready ho rahi hai. Tejas ready ho jao. Pranav ready ho chuka hai. Maya ready ho jao. Vinaya is ready. Razel ready ho jao. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Tanishka, go back, get ready. Other performers, chalo, chalo. Chalo, 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 chalo. Everybody, get ready, get ready. Yesha teacher, over to you. Yes, kids, are you all ready? Go, 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 go. Be on the left and take your turn.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आसमाना। यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। यूं तो सीधे बड़े, कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा। ओ, हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा, जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी। पर दिल से यार जो ने पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Good job. Good job. Awesome. Yes, Yesha teacher. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much. That was really sweet. That was really amazing. On that note, I would like to just share a few words. The entire planning for today, the entire event management and program planning for today has been done by 3 teachers, and they spent full time doing this. Let me introduce them to each one of you. And the first person on that list will be Jyoti teacher. Jyoti teacher took the stance that she will take care of everything to do with the event, the planning, the video selection, everything. So thank you very much, Jyoti teacher, for this. Hats off to your efforts. Thank you. Next, we have Yasha teacher. Yasha teacher has been instrumental in ensuring that all the dance steps are sent across to all children, and children have actually spent extra time after school online to do their practice. So kudos kids, and thank you very much, Yasha teacher. The steps were so simple, easy for them to follow, and it was just the 2 weeks time that we had to prepare and get ready for it. Now we have our very favorite person, Devendra sir. Sir has taken care that all children are doing their march past the best. जितना भी network issue था, तब भी coordination best रहा. And that was amazing. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your efforts. Okay. And in these times where we are looking to do a lot of these things from home and still keep things entertaining, thanks to these teachers who put in extra time, extra efforts, and do the whole planning and make sure the event is wonderful. On that note, I want to thank each and every child who participated in the presentation today. I will just go in random order name, no specific order. Thank you very much, children. Ranveer, Subhan, Tanishka, Pranav, Rajvi, Maya, Varushka, Vihan, Tejas, Razel, and Vinaya. Huge claps, huge round of applause to all the performers of today. Other children who think कि उनको तो मिला चांस, हमको क्यों नहीं? Don't worry, next year तुम्हारा ही नंबर है. जो भी इस साल नहीं परफॉर्म किया ना, next year वो जरूर परफॉर्म करने वाला है. Okay, so be prepared. There are more events. August is filled with events. There are more events coming up, and each of you is going to get an opportunity to be a part of that. Okay, so now on that note, allow me to open the mic for grandparents first. They have been patiently waiting here. I had 3 grandparents that I saw. Can I spot them right now? I am unable to because I would like their blessings for all of us. Do we have those grandparents around? I saw some around. Okay. All right, Vinaya's grandmother is here. Yes, auntie, please come around. I'm going to put her on spotlight. She always has wonderful words for all of us as children. Thank you very much, auntie. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please give us your blessings. Some sweet words from you will be very encouraging for all children. The mic is yours.
Yeah, they have done good. They performed well.
Thank
All of them. I congratulate all of them and to you also. Yeah. You are the this thing, no? Pillar before it.
Oh, I would say that's the teachers. The teachers work day in and day out. Oh, they are really amazing. Thank you. Thank you very much, auntie. Thank you. Thank you for taking time. We see you around the screen quite often, and we also see you very regularly giving encouraging words to the classroom. Please keep doing that. We would really love to have you around all the time. Yes, Vinaya.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
My party made this India event.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Wow. Very nice. That's lovely. You're lucky, Vinaya. That's really lovely.
Thank you. Thank God.
Thank you. Thank you very much, auntie. Thank you very much. ऐसे ही आपका आशीर्वाद हम पे रहे हमेशा. I am looking for other grandparents. I definitely, okay, I can see Nihira's grandparents. Nihira's grandparents are here. Would you like to please say some nice, sweet words for the children, for the teachers? Any advice? Your blessings are always required.
Yes, नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते. Yes,
नमस्ते.
आपने ये प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा किया और बहुत सालों से मेरी तमन्ना थी कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे अटेंड करूं. आपके कारण मुझे अटेंड करना मिला. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू मैम. आपके ये शब्द हमें बहुत अच्छे लगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बच्चों को भी आशीर्वाद देते रहिए. बच्चे ये हमारे फ्यूचर है और जितना आशीर्वाद बड़ों से पाएंगे उतना ही वो भी बढ़ते जाएंगे.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you very much, Auntie. Thank you very much. Do I see? Yes, I can see one more grandparent here. That's Vivan Rajesh's grandparents.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Oh, happy Independence Day. We
Thank
teach
you.
her.
Happy
Hello.
Wish the same.
Thank you.
Wish பண்ண
Wish பண்ணனே. என்ன
Mami,
wish பண்ணோம்?
Mami, you can say anything. உங்களுக்கு என்ன பேசணுமோ சொல்லுங்க. I will translate it. You want to give some blessings. குட்டிகளுக்கு ஏதாவது ஆசீர்வாதம் கொடுக்கணும்னா சொல்லுங்க. நான் ஜோதி டீச்சர் ரெண்டு பேரும் அதை translate பண்ணி கொடுக்கலாம். Please go ahead. தமிழ்லயே சொல்லுங்க
சரி.
பரவாயில்லை.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லட்டுமா? சரி. குழந்தைகள் எல்லாம் நல்ல வழியில கொண்டு போறீங்க. டெய்லி பாக்குறேன். என்ன அது ஒரு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இந்த பசங்க எல்லாம் நல்ல குட் ஹாபிட்ஸ் கத்து கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகே, எல்லா குழந்தைகளுக்கும் என் ஆசீர்வாதம். எல்லா குழந்தைங்க நல்லா இருக்கணும், நல்லா மேல மேல வரணும். ஓகேவா?
Okay. Thank you very much. Jyoti teacher, would you like to translate that, please?
Yeah, Vivan, வணக்கம் வணக்கம்
வணக்கம்
வணக்கம்மா.
வணக்கம்
வணக்கம். சொன்னது புரிஞ்சது. நான் சொல்றேன். Vivan grandma says they want to teach all the kids to good habits and blessings and everyone to be in the good and safe. Take care of them.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. She wishes for every child's prosperity as well.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, Vivan.
Independence
Thank
Day,
you very
Vivan.
much. Thank you very much. We are going to see a couple more grandparents. 1 minute. I'm just trying to locate them. Can I see? Yes, yes, I can see here. Ranveer's grandparent, Ranveer and Maya's grandparents. Please open your mic. आपका आशीर्वाद, आपके कोई भी हमारे लिए शब्द.
75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे की आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. और इस दिन आप सब लोग स्वस्थ रहें, क्योंकि आज के दिन में स्वास्थ्य सबसे बड़ी चीज है. कोरोना पीरियड में बच के रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और
Okay, that typical network glitch. No worries. I'm sure when they are back in the network, they will say a lot more. Let me just. Yes. Please continue. Continue, kariye.
Yes, it was problem with the net. That's why I could not complete my sentence. इस कोरोना पीरियड में बच्चों से ये है, और बच्चे ही भविष्य हैं इस देश का. स्वस्थ रहें बच्चे, हंसते खेलते रहें बच्चे, खुशहाल रहें. यही स्वतंत्रता दिवस में हमारी कामना है इनको. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. आपके शब्द हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. All children need blessings from grandparents all the time. All children. I will keep saying this several times. You have elders around you, you have grandparents around you. You are lucky. Grandparents are the knowledge bhandar. You couldn't ask for better knowledge bhandar. If you have grandparents around you, be in touch with them. If they are not staying with you, no problem. Call them regularly, speak with them regularly, write letters to them. उनसे, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से जितना हमें इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज मिल सकता है, ये शायद हमें और किसी से नहीं मिल सकता. टीचर्स ऑल्सो लुक अप to grandparents often. I am going to now open Razel's mic. She has a grandparent over there. Razel's grandparent, please बात करिए हमसे, बच्चों को आशीर्वाद दीजिए.
हेलो, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
बोलिए बोलिए मैम, we can hear you.
हेलो.
Yes, yes, we can hear you. बोलिए.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy Independence Day.
टीचर ने बहुत मेहनत की है.
आपको बोल रही मम्मा. बोलो मम्मी.
बोल तो दिया. टीचर ने बहुत मेहनत की है बच्चों के संग. बहुत अच्छा इनका फंक्शन रहा बच्चों का.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद आंटी. बच्चों को आशीर्वाद भी देते रहिएगा. हम आपको कभी कभी रेजल के क्लास में देखते हैं. वी सी दैट यू टेक केयर कि आप ज्यादा नजर नहीं आए, लेकिन हमारी नजर पड़ ही जाती है. और हमने आपको कई बार हमारे क्लास में देखा हुआ है. आज आपसे बात भी हो पाई. थैंक यू वेरी मच. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद. ओके, आई वुड नाउ लाइक टू आस्क एनी चाइल्ड who would like to share something, your thoughts. Razel, you have risen your hand. Go ahead, say what you would like to say. Would you like to share something, Razel?
I would just wanted to say that I like.
Okay. Razel, go ahead, go ahead.
I just wanted to say that I like the dance and I like the song which we danced at. Thank you, Asha ma'am, for just choosing the nice song.
Lovely, that's amazing. Yes, thank you, Asha ma'am, for choosing that song. Highly energetic song. Ekdam aaj ke zamane ka song. Very good. Yes.
Thank
yes.
you for dancing so nicely and giving your 100%.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Razel. Yes, Vinaya, what would you like to say?
I wanted to say to everybody, Happy Independence Day. And even I liked the Asha ma'am song. It was very it was like a positive song. It was nice. It just made my day.
Oh, wow.
Amazing words.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you, Razel.
Words. Wow. Wow. Nice. Very nice. I
wanted to also say to all of the daddies and grandfathers and grandmothers that thank you for watching all of march pasts and dances. Done.
Okay.
Lovely words, Vinaya. Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you to think of grandparents as well. Yes, Maya, you want to say something. Go ahead.
Ma'am, in the video they had showed the picture of India and I have the same picture.
Oh,
Wow.
Yes, you have the same one.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Nice,
Hold
Maya.
it close to your heart. Hold it close to your heart. India is our country. We love this place. It gives us so many opportunities to do so many things. So let us make the best of it. Okay, thank you, Maya. I'm now going to go to Rajvi. Yes, Rajvi, go ahead.
Thank you to all of teachers and grandfathers and their parents that they saw our show and give blessings to us. And I'm to say also thank to Devendra sir and Yasha ma'am and Jyoti ma'am that they took that much efforts to teach us and make this all shoes, and thank you for that.
Thank you, Rajvi.
Ah,
Rajvi.
Thank you so much, Rajvi.
That's lovely. Thank you very much, Rajvi. Thank you very much. I am going to go to Hrida now, who is beautifully dressed up and patiently waiting. I'm sure Hrida wants to say something. Look at the tricolor on her cheeks. Look at the turban she is wearing. I love that. Yes, Hrida, tell us what you want to say.
I like this program. Next year, I want to do also dance performance.
Yes,
I like the performance of grade 7.
Yes.
Wow.
Grade 7.
Good,
Thank
good. Don't
Happy
worry. Next.
Independence Day.
Happy
Happy
Independence Day,
Independence
Hrida.
Day.
Yes,
Don't
yes.
worry.
And I'm so happy to see that you are in a costume. You are absolutely all dressed up and decked up for Independence Day. Nice. I like that energy you're bringing in. Good job. Yes, Vivan, you're raising your hand. You want to say something. Yes, Tejas, I will come to you.
Happy Independence Day. I like this dance. And I want to take it a great next year. I want to dance this month. Happy Independence Day.
Yes,
Happy
Priya.
Independence Day, Vivan.
Yes, yes. Don't
I
worry.
saw you
all
did the
those-
maths first also.
Yes, yes, yes. All those who have
They
not
all
been
did.
a part of this performance, don't worry. तुम्हारा चांस नहीं गया है. अभी पूरा साल बचा है. अभी बहुत सारे इवेंट्स आने बाकी है. अभी तो ये शुरू हुआ है. अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी है. Don't worry. बहुत performances है. सब
Everybody dance well.
Yes. Yes, that is sure. Everybody danced well. Thank you very much for your words, Vivan. Thank you so much. Yes. Anybody else who I can see?
Ma'am, Sita.
Tejas. Yes.
Tejas.
Yes, I'll go to
Tejas.
Sita. Tejas. Yes, Tejas.
It's a time to tell. I love the song, and I love that means everyone talk about us, and grandparents also gave us blessings and all. And I'm to tell to all in the class Happy Independence Day, and thank you sir and Asha ma'am to teach us math class and dance. And I want to say that all teachers of grade 3 and all class are taking our classes on the online class.
Thank you, Tejas.
Okay,
That's
Tejas.
really sweet
Thank
of
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's amazing how much you all express your thoughts. So impressive. Thank you so much, Tejas. Thank you so much. I'm now going to go to Sita and Abhiram. They have been patiently waiting, and then I will be going to Sanvi. Yes, Sita, Abhiram, go ahead.
Happy Independence Day, all you teachers. Next year, me and my brother will dance also. We have flag paint on our cheek.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yes, I totally noticed that.
Look!
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We can totally
Yes,
see
yes,
that.
beautiful.
We'll just make sure that everybody else is also watching it. Oh, yes.
Mm.
Yes, we can see that now. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Brother and sister t-shirts they are wearing. Oh, too much. Cool. Totally spotted. Wait, Sanvi. Wait, I need to just search you on my screen. Yes, there you are, Sanvi. Open your mic and tell us what you wanted to speak. Go ahead. Yes, Sanvi. Nothing? You were raising your hand? No? Okay. Do one thing. Wish everyone a happy Independence Day.
Independence Day, everyone. Happy Independence Day, every teachers.
Thank you,
Happy
Sanvi.
Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Sanvi.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, we have Mrunal raising her hand. And yes, Mrunal, bolo.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy
Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Thank you. Yes. That's lovely. Okay, I think I have covered everyone. Avni. Avni wants to say something. Yes, Avni, go ahead.
Happy Independence Day, teachers.
Happy
Independence Day.
Avni.
And thank you for this session. It was
wonderful.
Thank you, Avni.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Avni.
Claps, claps to all performers and the teachers. Thank you, Avni. Thank you for your sweet words. Really encouraging. Thank you so much.
Rita
Cool.
wants to say something.
Sorry, who's that?
Rita wants to say something.
Rida. Yes, Rida, go ahead.
I want to say Independence Day song.
Yes, do it.
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से। पहुंचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आने नहीं दूं, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। थैंक यू।
Wow.
Very good.
Very good.
बहुत सुंदर गाया
Rita,
तुमने।
awesome. Continuous performance.
कितना स्वीट वॉइस है तुम्हारा, बहुत बढ़िया गाया तुमने। एक्सेलेंट, थैंक यू सो मच। Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. That's really thoughtful that you presented a song today. That's really amazing. Okay, I think we have given turn for everyone to speak, and I don't think I missed out on anyone. Teachers, I hope I have not missed out on anyone. Tejas wants to again say something. Oh, okay, Parthiv, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, Subhan,
independent song.
okay, sing.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक न दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक न दिन। सब देश है हम के देश है, हम रहते हैं इंडिया देश में। हमारा देश स्वच्छ रहना चाहिए। इंडिया 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 इंडिया। I wish all Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to my earth.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Thank you very much. Nice song. Okay.
Shubhan also raising.
Parthik, yes, Parthik, go ahead, Parthik. Yes, Subhan, I'll come to you. Give me a moment.
Happy Independence Day, every teachers.
Happy Independence Day,
Thank you for
Parthik.
nice Independence Day class.
Wow.
I saw you also did March first along with other kids. Parthic.
Parthik, Ivan, very good.
Independence Day class.
Yes, yes, yes. Few others were dancing and doing the march past as well. Yes. Okay. Subhan, wait, let me just spot Subhan. Where is Subhan? 1 minute, Subhan. Just give me a moment. There, I can see you. All right. Yes, Subhan, go ahead.
Say that
Grade 6, I said the full song of in grade 6. And for happy Independence to all my friends and teachers.
Happy Independence Day,
Happy Independence
Subhan.
Day.
Thank you very much, Subhan. Happy Independence Day. Yes, Maya wants to say something.
Ma'am, I just want to say one thing to Yasha ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Maya.
Yasha ma'am, yesterday after our dance practice, we all were choosing to do a party.
It is not here, Maya. We will plan it.
Yes, we will definitely plan. See, just like that we have decided and planned for today, we will definitely plan a party. Yesterday, Padma teacher has promised one special type of party. Now we all teachers have to start thinking for that party. So give us some time. It is going to be fun and we are definitely going to do it from our homes. But ye party zarur hoga. Don't you worry. Yes, Razel, you want to say something?
I wanted to just say that can I also sing one song?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज एक दिन। ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। Thank you.
Very
Thank
good,
you.
Razel.
Very good, Razel.
Wonderful.
वाह वाह, कितना स्वीट वॉइस है इन बच्चों का. So sweetly they are able to sing. Now we are just getting ideas कि अगला परफॉर्मेंस हमारा प्रोग्राम में क्या इंक्लूड होना चाहिए. Yeah. Yes, Vivan Rajesh is raising his hand. Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, I can see a song.
Yes.
Vande Mataram, 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 Vande Vande Mataram. Done, ma'am.
Thank you. You know what? This used to be the slogan. Vande Mataram used to be the slogan during our freedom fight struggle. Thank you. Thank you for saying that slogan aloud. Thank you so much. Okay, children. With that, I think we will be coming to a close for our
Ma'am,
program
Sita.
today. Sita. Oh, sorry. Yes, Sita.
Teacher, shall we sing सारे जहां से अच्छा?
बिल्कुल, yes.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हम बुलबुले के इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Wow.
Wow, very good. Wow.
Very good.
Very
Sita and
good,
Abhika.
Abhiram, Sita. Very good.
Good.
Absolutely awesome.
Very good, Sita.
ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे पूरा स्कूल गा रहा है. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay. I think that's about it. I think so. Yes. All right. All right. Thank you very much, children. Thank you very much for the group performances and for the individual performances as well. Thanks a lot for taking out time for being here today. A very big thank you to the grandparents who took out time and stood by us today for the flag hoisting. Super thanks to all the children for being here on a Sunday morning and honoring the national flag. Thank you to all the teachers. Padma ma'am, over to you.
Oh, wow. Children, I am very glad to see each one's performances. You all are so talented, and I am proud of you all. With on this note, will always be proud of my children, the head over heels school children. They are different. I can assure you they are different. They have their own ideas. They are very confident. They can take their take. They can express themselves in their words, and they will never take the foot back whenever it comes to help and to be kind. They are very loving children. So on this note, proud of you all. Today we close our day and we enjoy our Independence Day with our family, with all the love and patriotism. We will enjoy our Sunday and also a year ahead. So everyone, thank you. All parents, teachers, and my lovely children, have a nice day. Bye-bye and Vande
Bye,
Mataram.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
bye.
everybody. Bye.
Bye bye.
everyone. See you. Tata. Bye.
Bye bye.